presenting a comparison between two major companies in Malaysia's food and beverage industry, which is Nestle and FN. Nestle is a global multinational company that was founded in Switzerland in 1856. It entered Malaysia in 1912 and has become one of the strongest brands in the country. Some of its well-known products include Milo, Maggi, Nescafe, and Kit Kat. Nestle focuses on nutrition, health, and sustainability through responsible sourcing and reducing environmental impact. On the other hand, FNN was founded in Singapore in 1883 and is now one of the leading regional food and beverage companies in Southeast Asia. In Malaysia, FNN is famous for products like 100 Plus, FNN carbonated drinks, the tarik ori, and various dairy products. The company continues to grow through product innovation and strong distribution network. Thank you.
Now, I will present about the comparative analysis between FNN and Nestle company. First, for training and development, both companies invest strongly in employee growth, but in different ways. FNN focus more on practical and operational training. They emphasize technical skills, food safety, and day-to-day job performance. Their training is effective for supporting productivity and maintaining product quality. Meanwhile, Nestle use a more structured and global approach. They offer leadership programs, digital learning, and international development pathways. Their system is more advanced and better for long-term development. In terms of comparison, both companies support continuous learning, but FNN is stronger in technical and functional training, while Nestle is stronger in leadership development and career progressions. Next is for performance evaluation. Both companies use KPIs, annual appraisal, and feedback session. However, the focus is slightly different. FNN use a more straightforward and operational-based system. The evaluation highlights job output, behavior, teamwork, and compliance with SOPs. On the other hand, Nestle applies a broader and more competency-based evaluation, including leadership, behaviors, global standards, and stronger alignment with long-term career development. So, in comparison, FNN system is simple and practical, while Nestle system is more holistic and development-focused. Both support employee improvement, but Nestle provides a more structured pathway for growth.
So we will talk about remuneration and compensation at FNN. Pay is guided by fairness and transparency. Employees receive salaries, performance-based bonuses linked to KPIs, long-term incentive, and wellness programs. Compensation is also benchmarked against the market to stay competitive. Nestle follows a governance-driven system which employees get base salaries, variable pay, and multi-year equity awards. The board and shareholders set compensation policies, while benefits support health, flexibility, and work-life balance. In 2024, variable pay could reach 150% of the target. In comparison, both companies focus on performance. FNN emphasizes fairness, internal consistency, and employee welfare, while Nestle focuses on global governance and long-term performance incentives. Move to the occupational safety and health. FN has safety committees and emergency teams at every plant. They follow ISO 45001, conduct regular inspections, and train their employees in first aid, fire safety, and risk handling. Health programs, including checkups and vaccination, have helped reduce accidents and lower LTIF rates, whereas Nestle implements a global OSH system using digital tools and VR training. Programs like Healthy Lives and the Employee Sustain Program support both mental and physical health. Safety standards also extend to suppliers. Their 2024 injury rate was 1.14. In comparison, FNN focuses on operational safety and local compliance, while Nestle emphasizes a proactive, technology-driven, and globally standardized safety culture.
First, in terms of similarities, both companies show a strong commitment to developing a skilled and productive workforce. They provide blended learning approach, structured performance evaluation linked to rewards and competitive compensation package that includes salaries, incentives, and non-monetary benefits. Both organizations also comply with occupational safety and health standards through regular inspection, employee training, and adherence to safety regulations. Overall, these similarities highlight that both companies understand the strategic importance of HRM in improving productivity, employee well-being, and organizational sustainability. Next, the differences mainly reflect each company's scale and global presence. FNN focuses on local operation by emphasizing technical skill, simpler performance review, KPI-based rewards, and compliance with local OSH standards. Meanwhile, Nestle adopts a more advanced and globalized approach, including international training program, 360-degree performance evaluation, long-term incentive plans, and digital OSH technologies such as VR training and global safety monitoring. In conclusion, while both companies share similar HRM goals, their approach differs based on organizational size, resources, and international reach. Thank you.
FNN mainly focuses on improving daily operations. Their HR system includes proper training, fair performance checks, good pay, and strong safety practices. By using clear KPIs, regular feedback, and safety committees, and following standards like ISO 45001, FNN creates a safer and more efficient workplace. Nestle has more advanced and structured HR system. They have the Nestle Academy, the 70, 20, and 10 learning model, and performance-based rewards. They also use digital platforms, leadership programs, and global wellness and safe system to support their employees. This helps them grow their talent and build long-term stability. For FNN, their HRM approach mainly focuses on internal, local needs. This limits opportunities for employees to gain internal exposure or global career development. Their performance appraisal system also relies heavily on KPIs and supervisor evaluations, which may lead to bias. FNN could improve this by adding tools like 360-degree feedback or using third-party assessment to make performance review fairer and more reliable. Nestle, on the other hand, struggled with the size and complexity of its global HR system. Because they operate in many countries, it requires a lot of time, money, and coordination to deliver training, manage performance, and maintain consistency across different cultures and regions. Balancing global standards with local employee expectations can also be challenging.
FNN should adopt more global HR practices such as 360-degree feedback, bias reduction tools, and international training opportunities. Nestle should simplify and localize certain HR processes to reduce administrative burden. Both firms should enhance cross-functional learning and structured job rotation programs. Invest in HR analytics for better decision-making, identifying skill gaps, and predicting turnover. Strengthen mental health support. Nestle should localize programs, and FNN should expand beyond operational HR to include well-being initiatives. Improve performance management. FNN to adopt continuous coaching, and Nestle to increase transparency in rating and rewards. Expand sustainability training across all functions to meet rising consumer expectations. Upgrade safety training. FNN should explore digital or VR tools. Also, Nestle should localize safety programs for different regions. Nestle and FNN are both strong players in Asia's F&B industry but operate on different scales. Nestle follows global standardized HR system with advanced governance and technology. FNN focuses more on practical, localized HR processes that support daily operation. Nestle offers broader development opportunities. FNN excels in operational efficiency. Both companies show strong commitment to employee development, safety, and long-term sustainability.